killed just a week after his wedding. An Intelligence Bureau officer shot dead in front of his wife and children. A squadron leader of the Indian Air Force gunned down while on a vacation with his wife and daughter. 3 officers, 3 uniforms, 3 families torn apart. On April 22, 2025, in what is now one of the deadliest terror attacks in Jammu and Kashmir's recent history, at least 28 lives were lost in Pahalgam. Among them, 26-year-old Lieutenant Vinay Narwal, an officer of the Indian Navy, a newlywed and a patriot whose life was brutally cut short.
It is because of him that the world is still surviving. And we should all be proud of him in every way.
इससे दुखद घटना और हो ही नहीं सकती जिसका एक बेटा है और वो भी मार दिया जाए उनके बुढ़ापे का सहारा।
Lieutenant Vinay Narwal, originally from Karnal in Haryana, had taken a brief leave to holiday with his newlywed wife in Pahalgam. Vinay and Himanshi reached Jammu and Kashmir on April 21. According to family members, the couple visited the local tourist spot where the attack occurred. Lieutenant Narwal was shot in the chest, neck and arm. He was declared dead upon arrival at the hospital. Posted in Kochi, the young officer had just tied the knot on April 16 with a wedding reception held on April 19.
करनाल में बड़ी धूमधाम से शादी की थी सर। एक ही लड़का था उन बेचारों के पास।
Haryana Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini spoke to Vinay's grandfather through video call and assured the family that the state stands firmly with them in this hour of sorrow. Neighbors and locals expressed their condolences, with many describing Narwal as a young officer with a bright future.
अभी शादी हुई थी इनकी 4 दिन पहले रिसेप्शन थी, सारी गली में खुशी का माहौल था।
On April 22, Manish Ranjan, a section officer with the Intelligence Bureau posted in Hyderabad, was killed in Pahalgam too. The officer was on a leave enjoying a family vacation with his wife and 2 children. Squadron leader Tage Haling, a 32-year-old Indian Air Force officer from Arunachal Pradesh, was also gunned down in the Pahalgam attack. Like the others, he was there on a short family vacation with his wife.